Hey, what's up, America? Good to see you back again. You are in the kitchen of Head Savage Kitchen, and today have I got a treat for you. What I'm going to show you today is how to make a rotisserie chicken. Stay tuned, it's going to be great.
Okay, you want to make sure you got your chicken all patted nice and dry. You don't want any excess water on it. Just a little bit moist, but no excess water. Go ahead and sprinkle your rub on there. You want to make sure you cover the whole chicken with the rub. You want to get underneath the skin. Don't be generous. Don't be generous with the rub. Use as much as you like. It's not high in sodium. You get the back of the chicken too. Even though the back doesn't have much meat on it, it got a little flavor. Don't tear any fat off, because as this is rotating, all the juices is going to rotate as well. So keep everything on the chicken and let it do its thing while it's in the rotisserie. Now here's a little trick I've learned. I've made this up myself. I'm kind of an ingenuity type of guy. That's why they call me Mr. Hands. But anyhow, if you don't have any twine, this little trick right here will hold your legs in place as the chicken turns in your rotisserie. I tore off a little bit, so bear with me while I tear this piece in half. Got a little bit too much there. I'll use the other piece for next time. But once you get it tore off, you want to fold that piece in half and fold it in half again. And you want to do that probably about 3 times just to make sure the foil is nice and strong. All right, once you're ready, what you're going to do is wrap it around your leg. Then go around and wrap it around the other leg. And now you want to wrap it around both legs. And this will secure them legs while it rotates in the rotisserie. Look at that chicken, folks. It's looking good, right? Yeah, I know it is. You're probably ready to cook it right now. Okay, let me show you how to put this on a skewer. You want to start with the breast side. You don't have to, but I say start with the side of the breast. You want to make sure, look here, you want to make sure you get it pressed inside the breast. Poke it in there pretty good. Then you turn it around. Next, we're going to pierce the underside of the legs. Okay, that's nice and tight. All right. Okay, off to the rotisserie we go. Some people preset their ovens. Do not, because it might burn you. We're going to set our temperature to 300. Put it on rotisserie, not conventional oven, rotisserie. And we're going to set our timer to about 300. I'm sorry, 30 minutes, not 300. Chicken is all done now. Magic of cameras. You didn't see it cooking, but I cooked it. And look at it. Doesn't it look great, folks? Bet you want to eat some. Go cook your own. This is mine. Yum, yum. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.